Hey guys, so I'm on my way to where am I going? To the supermarket, get some groceries. Thank you, Spring, for joining us in April. Spring officially starts in Japan on March 21st, the equinox. But yeah, apparently decided to come late this year. Just like how in January lasted almost 2 months. It just felt so long, January this year. Yeah, so I'm gonna get groceries and get my bike pumped up, bike tire pumped up. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Showing you around my city. My voice is really not back at 100% yet. After that weekend of debauchery, is that the word? Yeah, so out here in the streets, I'm gonna get some groceries, then go to work, and then head back, get some groceries, and then head back to. Right, I'm gonna get some groceries, and then head back to. Where am I gonna head back to? Head back home, eat lunch, and then head to work. Have early start today, 4 lessons. Then tomorrow, I gotta go get to do my hair because my birthday is this weekend, and I gotta look fresh. So yeah, I'm taking me along for this vlog every in April thing. Is really taxing. If you go there, that's my city hall. Over there, yeah, city hall. That's where you get all your stuff done. Alright. Hoorah. Oh, police don't come and see me because they'll be like, oh, abuna, abuna. Quick ride around my city. This is basically the way to the train station. Here, the main train station. See how many Toyotas in here? That's why it's called Toyota City. Boom-ching. I'll be here all week, guys. Little cafe. And this new bread store, bakery. Bread store. You forgot your words, bruh? So yeah, it's really just about that time. Hold on. Okay, just finished at the bike shop. Guys, just finished getting my bike air pumped. Yeah, so I just got my bike pumps, and now I'm heading past my regular spot where I get my coffee in the morning. This is my spot. Hello. Hi, Sashi, what are you doing? Hi, Butchutu. That's my spot, guys. So, I'm doing a really bad foreigner right now. It's some funny things, guys. I'm so bad I won't even lock my bike. I'm a bad boy. Buy some groceries quickly. In Japan, a lot of times you never realize things you've been doing or not doing, and it's just so amazing that no matter how long you've been in the city, you still get people that will stare at you. But it's whatever, I don't even care. It gets all really fast. But let's do a hyper shopping experience. So this is what happens when you don't have a bag. I know a bike with no bars. Oh man. And this is the usual groceries get in now. Oh well. 5 minute ride home.